Okay, here we are on a Mac computer, and I'm going to show you how to do screen clipping on a Mac and how to get that screen clipping into a document or into an email. I did this a little bit ago on a PC, and now I'm going to show you how to do it on a Mac. On a Mac computer, the only thing you really have to remember is Shift Command and the number key 3 or 4 or 5. Now, Shift Command 3 will get the entire screenshot. I'm going to do that now. Shift Command 3. And that captured the screenshot. We can see it right down here in the lower right-hand corner. And that will go away in just a second. See, it just went away. And now it appeared right here on our desktop. So all we got to do to get it into a document is drag it from the desktop and into the document. And boom, there it is in the document. As you can see, the entire screenshot. Once it's in the document, you can click on it and grab one of the little drag handles, and you can resize it or whatever you need to do. Let's go ahead and hit the delete key and get rid of that. I'm going to bring this Finder window back to the front, and I'm going to show you how to capture a rectangular area of your screen. And of course, you've probably guessed by now, that is Shift Command 4. Shift Command 4. And you can see here now my cursor is a crosshair, almost like a rifle sight, and it shows you where you are on the screen. I'm going to grab just a little bit of this window. I'm going to click and drag, and you can see it grabs that much of the window. And if I click on this down here, it will open it up in an editor where I can then annotate what is on it. For example, I can add a shape to it by clicking this, and notice we now have a red square on that. And I'm not quite sure how to do this, but I'm going to let you go ahead and decide what to do with all these shapes yourself. The editing the pictures that you screenshots you capture is not part of this particular tutorial, so we're going to leave that. Let me recapture that with Command Shift 4 and grab that particular area. Now I'm going to just wait until this goes away. 2, 3. It will go away here in just a second, and when it goes away, it'll appear right here on the desktop, and there it is. I'm going to drag that one over to the document, and now we have that in the document, and that is a screenshot we just captured. I'm going to show you one thing that is really fun in Word. If, for example, over here, I'm going to click off of that. Over here on the right, it's hard to see the border between the image and the background. So I'm going to click on that, and you see we now have the drag handles. If I right click on that image, format the picture, let's do the shadow. And here's the presets. Drop that down. I'm going to pick that and close this. And if I click off of it, you'll notice we now have a little bit of a shadow around that picture. So that's one thing you can do. I'm going to click that to select it, hit the delete key to delete it, and the final thing you need to understand about getting screen clips on a Mac is Command Shift 5. Here we go, Shift Command 5. This opens up on the bottom of your window a control panel that is not only where you can take a screenshot that captures the entire screen, and that captures a selected window. This captures a rectangular area, but look what you can do here. You can record your screen, and you can record a selected portion of your screen. I'm not going to demonstrate that right now. That'll be the topic of a different video. And here in the options, you have several different things you can select. We're not going to worry about that right now, except for this thing that we did not see with a Command Shift number key. This is capture a selected window. I click on that to select it, and notice when I go around the screen, it highlights different windows. See, for example, there's that window's highlighted, there's that window's highlighted. Let's get this and click, and there it is. It appears down here, and we're going to wait until that goes away. Looks like it takes about 5 seconds for that to go away. And there it's gone, and it came up here on our desktop. I'm going to click on that and drag it here. And notice it captured that entire window, and we can drag it and drop it into a Word document. You can also do the same thing onto an email in Outlook, and I'm pretty sure you can also do it in Gmail, although I have not tried it. So that's how you do screen clip capturing on a Mac.